Hello everybody, welcome back to Quick Guide. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to host a meeting on Zoom. For that, first of all, open up your Zoom app on your phone. After you open up the app, be sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on New Meeting, which is on your left hand side. Now select if you want your video to be turned off or turned on, and select if you want to use your personal meeting ID. When you are done, tap on Start a Meeting. After that, tap on Participants, which is at the bottom of your screen. On your bottom left, there you'll see the option of Invite. Tap on it. Then select whether you want to invite your friend through message, messenger, Gmail, invite your Zoom contacts, or by sending invite link. For now, I'm going to show you how to invite through messenger. Now tap on send in order to send invite link. After that, go back to your Zoom app and wait for the participant to join. After the participants joins the meeting, a pop-up message will appear on your screen. Tap on admit in order to let them in your meeting. This way you can host a meeting on Zoom. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.